All right. Good day again. So we're here again to simplify statistics using Excel. Okay, because Excel is powerful. Okay, for me. Okay, that's subjective. Okay, so our topic for today will be again more in p-values, and this is a sample from the book. Okay, and we have here the data. Okay, I have to arrange this one first. I have to. Alright. Alright, so now we have data. Okay, it just fits to this to my existing table here. Okay, so we'll go straight ahead. By the way, the topic is more on p-value, and I've already have put here the desired population mean, which is 5. And by the way, this is not and mean is equals to 5. And first, before computing the p-values, um, same process, need to get the sample mean, okay, by using the average. Okay, okay, so the average is 4.53. Am I right? Yep. Okay, so 4.53. That's the sample mean. And the standard deviation is, because this is sample, we will be using stdev dot s. Okay. Okay. So to measure the level the number of samples, how many samples that we have, we will use count. Okay. So I will explain later the data behind this one. How did we come up with this data here and the computations here? But for now, we'll go straight ahead with computing the z value. Okay, so it's negative 28. So we'll check again. Okay, so okay, we still use since this is from the computation is from our last sample. Okay, so still use this data here. So M18, which is the here, um, E18 minus this one, M18 minus E18. Okay, so this one less than um, this one, I mean, minus this one. Okay, am I right? Okay, E18 minus, no. This one less than by this one. And then over M19 is the sample. No, standard deviation. Over the standard deviation M19 here. And the square root of the sample population, which is 100. So we got negative 1.28. So what's the level of 1.28 here? Okay, negative 1.28, regardless if it's negative or not or positive, is still the same. We will look from here 1.28. Okay, so 1.2. So let's look for 8. Okay, think we overdo it. Okay, so 8. Let's follow here. And then 1.28. Here, 0.3997. Okay, 0.3997. Okay, so that's the p-value. Okay, so this is the z table value, and to get the p value, we need to put this one. So how many percentage is this? All right. So this is 10%. Oh, dude. All right. So at a 95% confidence level, no, this is from the last example. We'll change this one. At 95% confidence level, uh, all right, the mean is not equal to, okay, start here. We haven't have set the HO. So let's say here, uh, mean is equal to 5. Okay, and here mean is not equal to 5. Okay, so um, okay, so here since this is 10%, okay, um, we have to accept the null hypothesis. The mean is equal to, okay, so I think we have um, okay, so since we are talking about equal here, so we at 95% confidence level, the mean is equal to 5. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's how to compute the um, the p value. Okay, okay, okay. Or even if we say that the mean is, yeah, alternative hypothesis 2, the mean is lesser than 5. Okay, so we cannot really say because total because the p value is 10%. Okay, At, and we're using 95% level of confidence. So it is not right to accept, I mean, to reject the null hypothesis. So in this sample data here, we will conclude that the mean is equal to 5. Okay, so that's how to compute the sample from a hospital. Okay, so these are the sample, the population mean for the hospital where people stay is 5 days, usually 5 days they stay there in the hospital. And researchers conducted a sample group of people and interviewed them, at least 100, and these were the data from the 100 people. Some stayed for 11 days, some stayed for 4 days, okay, some stayed for only 1 day, okay. But the sample mean is 4.5, and we compare it with the population mean of 5, and the answer is 10% p-value. So therefore, we conclude that we will accept the null hypothesis because it's 10% p-value. Right? Okay. So I'll see you again on my next video. And if you have questions, you can ask me below the videos or you can comment below the video. Okay?